Let's look at another quick fun function today called unique. So here I am in this sheet. Here's my unique function. So what unique does is it's a way to put in a list to the function and get back that list with all the duplicates removed. So you give it a range, and then it'll have some other features that you won't use too often, so you don't need to pay too much attention to them. But if you pass in a range, it will then return that range without those duplicates. So as an example, right here, I'm taking unique from master table database C7, so column C. So let's look at what we're taking. So I'm taking this entire column all the way down there. There's tons of duplicates in there. And I'm returning just the unique version. So I'm getting back just these 6. Right here you can see the count is 6. Just these 6 from that list. So I give the unique function that whole list, and the unique function returns those unique 6 items. So you'll find, again, now you know how to do this, you'll find that you're using this more often than you realize, because very often you have a long list of data and you're not sure if there are duplicates. There are other more manual ways to do it, and there are even some functions in Sheets that can do it too, but this is a nice, really quick way to do it.